Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be explaining the AT&T Smart Home Manager app, how it helps you control and boost your home Wi-Fi easily in 2026. So the AT&T Smart Home Manager is a Wi-Fi management app which is designed for AT&T internet customers. The app connects directly to your home gateway and lets you control your entire Wi-Fi network from your smartphone or tablet. With it, you can view your network details, manage the devices, troubleshoot the internet problems without calling support. It's basically a central dashboard for your home internet connection. Now, one of the biggest features of this particular app is device management. The app shows all of the devices connected to your Wi-Fi network, including the phones, the laptops, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. You can also rename the devices, create the profile, and block any unknown devices if something suspicious appears on your network. The app also includes the tools to check your internet performance. You can run Wi-Fi speed tests, monitor signal strengths, and check overall network health. Another major feature is parental control settings. Parents can create the profile for the family members and set the screen time limits, pause the internet access, or even schedule downtime for specific devices. The app also works as a self-service troubleshooting tool, meaning you can restart your gateway, diagnose network issues, and chat with a virtual assistant for help. Instead of waiting for the customer support, many internet problems can be diagnosed and fixed directly through the app in just a few minutes. So if this video helped you understand the app better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.